Also, I wanted to tell everybody I got the bench. Not the Benchmade, but the Ozark Trail 7.5-inch folding knife that is so popular these days and sold out everywhere. I stopped by one of the Walmarts I normally go to, and they had a full stock of them. So I purchased one, just one. And I'm gonna do a separate video on this knife, but today we're gonna take it fishing with this, and we're gonna do some work with this knife on in the field, and we'll add it to a separate video or part of this video and give you a good review of this knife. I'm sure many of you who's interested in this knife have seen many videos of this, so I won't bore you with all the details of what the knife is, but here, just a real quick. Wow, that is a real smooth action there. But anyway, gonna take this fishing, put it to work, and we'll give you a review. All right. right, so my final thoughts on this knife after a day of use. I would say that it is almost everything everybody has bragged about. Okay. I mean, it's sharp right out of the box. It will cut and slice. Okay. Yep. So you, for under $10, you really can't ask the knife to do more than what you see here. Okay. Is it the sharpest and sliciest knife I've ever handled? No, it's not. Is it as good as a Benchmade bug out? Probably not. Not for cutting and slicing. Is it as good as a Spyderco Native lightweight? No, hell no. That's about the sharpest knife I ever handled. But for everyday use, everyday carry use, it'll do the trick. It'll do the job. Will it hold the edge real good? Probably not. But let's get realistic. I mean, most of us who carry a knife don't really need a razor sharp knife. Anything that can cut string, cut open packages, anything that can cut cordage, this knife will do it all. Do that greatly. Would I use this as part of my crafting tools? Probably not. Although it is pretty sharp, I wouldn't rely on it to do precision work. But for under $10, you can't ask for better. And be honest with you, feel wise, action wise, I'll be honest with you, it's actually better than the bug out. As far as the action goes, it's drop shutty. The feeling of the handle, the scale, the weight of it feels more substantial and better than the bug out. That might be contributed to the fact that it has full steel lining, so it feels heftier, feels tougher than the bug out. I seriously doubt if you could break this with your hand. I have seen other videos where they have literally taken a bug out and broke it with their hands. So for toughness, I would probably rely on this. And as you saw in the video, I put it through the batoning test, which you normally wouldn't do with a folding knife, and I did with this. And I've done it with the blade locked out, and I've done it with the blade unlocked. Okay, and it was able to baton light wood. I mean, it wasn't too bad. I wouldn't go batoning logs with this thing, but for emergency situations where you need to baton wood to fashion something or make tinder, this is highly recommended. I went to Walmart and found these in stock today, and I bought one. I didn't want to get greedy and buy 2 or 3 or half a dozen, so I can make a profit off of it. If you do that, please don't do that. These knives are made for inexpensive for a reason. It's for people who can't afford much and they want just a reliable, decent knife they can use to go do their daily chores, use at work or whatever. And I have to say, I carried it with me during my fishing trip today, and used the pocket clip inside my pocket, and it was awesome. It worked great. So I highly recommend it. All right, if you find it, buy one. See ya.